Reaction of iron with copper sulphate solution by Bonnie and Olivia. Materials: stand with clamp, copper sulphate solution, thread, graduated cylinder. Test tubes: 2 2-inch iron nails, sandpaper, a pair of scissors. Here are all of our materials. Now for safety precautions, first put your hair up behind you if it's longer than shoulder length. Then put on an apron over the head and then tie it in the back. Next, put on a pair of safety goggles. Next, put on a pair of latex gloves on both hands. Procedure: first, clean the 2 iron nails by rubbing them with the sandpaper to remove any rust or dirt. Next, cut a 10-inch piece of string. Then, tie the piece of string to both of the heads of the nails, ensuring that they are snug and will not slip out. Put the test tube into the clamp and fasten it, ensuring that it is tightly held. Now, measure out 45 milliliters of the copper sulphate solution into the graduated cylinder. The measured amount of the solution in the graduated cylinder and pour it into the test tube that you have already fastened to the clamp. Now, take the 2 nails that have the string attached to them and place them into the test tube with the solution, allowing them to touch the bottom. Make sure that the end of the string remains safely outside of the test tube so that you can take them out easily next time. Now, watch. After leaving the nails in the copper sulphate solution for 2 days, copper is deposited coating the nails. That is the reddish layer you see. The solution also changes colors slightly from pure blue to a more cloudy blue-green because iron has been displaced from the nails into the solution. As you can see from the equation, this forms an iron sulphate solution. This is an example of a single replacement reaction more commonly known as copper plating, which serves many functions in our world today. A few of the most common examples include decoration in building materials and in money, like in the American penny. It is used because it is a cheaper alternative to pure copper, which is much more expensive than iron. This is also an example of an exothermic reaction because you end up with less potential energy after the reaction occurs because a bit of that energy is released into the environment. Thanks for watching!
Thank you!